1. RoboChef X1 AI-powered culinary master. Meet the RoboChef X1, your personal AI-powered chef that prepares gourmet meals with robotic precision. With multiple articulated arms, real-time recipe guidance, and an advanced flavor analyzer, it crafts perfect dishes effortlessly. The future of home cooking is here. 2. CyberCook 9000 Smart Multifunction Cooking Station. CyberCook 9000 is an all-in-one futuristic cooking station designed to chop, grill, and serve meals with robotic precision. Featuring modular attachments, smart ingredient detection, and a sleek holographic interface, it revolutionizes the way we cook in smart kitchens. 3. Auto CleanBot Self-Cleaning Cooking Machine. Cooking made easy and mess-free. The Auto CleanBot is a futuristic AI-powered kitchen assistant that not only prepares meals, but also self-cleans using ultrasonic and steam technology. Say goodbye to dirty kitchens and hello to effortless gourmet dining. 4. HoverChef Floating Robotic Cooking Assistant. The HoverChef is the world's first levitating cooking assistant, using anti-gravity technology to float above your kitchen island. It seamlessly slices, stirs, and plates dishes while a holographic recipe guide adjusts to your preferences. The future of cooking is in the air. 5. SushiBot Pro Next-Gen Automated Sushi Maker. Enjoy restaurant-quality sushi at home with the SushiBot Pro. This advanced sushi-making robot crafts perfectly rolled sushi with precision slicing and plating. Its AI adjusts ingredient ratios for ideal taste, while a built-in conveyor serves your sushi fresh and fast. 6. BakeMate 500 Intelligent Baking Robot. BakeMate 500 is a robotic pastry chef that automates baking from mixing to serving. Equipped with smart sensors and a high-tech oven, it kneads dough, bakes perfect pastries, and delivers them fresh on a conveyor belt. Elevate your baking game effortlessly. 7. NanoCook Portable AI Cooking Companion. NanoCook is a compact, AI-powered smart cooker that prepares gourmet meals in a sleek, futuristic design. Its fold-out robotic arm sautés, grills, and steams with precision. With a holographic timer and voice-controlled interface, it's the perfect futuristic kitchen assistant. 8. Molecular Chef X High-Tech Molecular Gastronomy Machine. Take cooking to the next level with Molecular Chef X, an AI-powered molecular gastronomy machine. Using lasers, cryogenic mist, and precision ingredient dispensers, it creates visually stunning, Michelin star quality dishes with futuristic techniques. 9. BreakFastBot AI Espresso and Breakfast Assistant. Wake up to a perfect breakfast with BreakFastBot. This futuristic cooking robot brews fresh coffee, toasts bread, and cooks omelets in seconds. AI-driven customization ensures your breakfast is tailored to your taste, making mornings smoother than ever. 10. Astro Kitchen Space-Ready Cooking Robot. Astro Kitchen is the ultimate cooking companion for astronauts and space travelers. Engineered with zero-gravity stabilizers and a smart meal customization system, it prepares delicious, nutritious meals in space, ensuring top-tier dining even in orbit.